My child, listen closely. This moment is not ordinary. It's divine. Heaven is whispering, and you must hear it. When I say stop, you must stop, immediately. Not because I want to halt your progress, but because I see what you cannot see. I hear what you cannot hear. I know what you do not know. I see the traps, the hidden snares, the smiles that hide sharp intentions, the voices that sound sweet, but are soaked in deceit. So when my voice comes, soft but urgent, obey. Do not question me. Do not delay. Your delay could become your downfall. I'm not trying to stop your blessing. I'm protecting it. I'm shielding your destiny from being crushed before it begins to bloom. Yes, the enemy wants you distracted. He wants you moving too fast. He knows, if you miss this one instruction, you could walk blindly into pain. But I love you too much to let that happen. So I brought you here, to this exact moment, to hear me, to feel me, to receive clarity. Keep listening. Because embedded in these words is your strength, your safety, your direction. I'm not just speaking to your mind, I'm speaking to your soul, to your spirit, to the deepest part of you that only I can touch. This is not just advice, it's divine protection. My child, I have watched many walk into storms they could have avoided. Not because they were evil, but because they didn't listen when I said, "Don't stop." They trusted their eyes more than my voice. They followed feelings instead of faith, and it broke them. Some paths feel right, but they are paved with sorrow. Some doors shine bright, but lead to darkness. Some people sound wise, but carry ruin in their hands. That is why I speak. That is why I warn. Because I love you. Because your purpose matters to me. When you feel my spirit nudge you, when you sense that holy whisper, not this way. Wait. Turn back. Don't ignore it. Respect it. Honor it. That's me, your father, wrapping my arms around your future. I have seen kings lose their crowns because they refused to stop. Saul, he didn't listen. He lost everything. Jonah, he ran. He faced a storm that could have been avoided. But those who stopped, Abraham, Moses, Esther, they saw miracles. Because obedience unlocks my power. It unlocks favor. It unlocks peace. If your spirit is stirred right now, don't brush it off. This is your confirmation. This is your sign. This is me calling you, loving you, protecting you. My child, when I say stop, it's not rejection. It's redirection. Stopping doesn't mean your story ends. It means I'm rescuing it. I'm rewriting the part that would have led to heartbreak. I'm blocking the pain that you can't yet see. You see delay. I see deliverance. You feel confusion. I'm working out protection. So when you feel that unease, that sudden loss of peace, that quiet resistance deep inside your spirit, that is me. Don't fight it. Don't explain it away. Don't drown it out with noise. Instead, pause, pray, seek me, ask for my guidance, and I will answer. Not with chaos, but with clarity. Not with fear, but with peace. Instant obedience brings instant alignment. When you obey immediately, you unlock blessings you didn't even pray for. Peace will wash over you. Anxiety will break. Fear will melt. Because now, you're walking in my will. I see your battles. I hear every whispered prayer. And I'm closer than you know. This message, right now, it's not a coincidence. It's my voice, my call, my hand reaching out to you. Pause. If you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. You don't need more confirmation. You need faith. When I say stop, stop. Even if the door looks golden. Even if the opportunity shines. If I am not in it, it will crumble. And I don't want that for you. Trust me. I see the full picture. I hold the blueprint. Every stop I command is part of a greater plan. So walk with me, step by step. Stop when I say stop, go when I say go. And I promise, I will lead you into joy, into purpose, into the life you were always meant to live. You'll never regret obeying me, but many deeply regret ignoring me. Pause. So now, my child, Hold this truth close. Write it on your heart. Practice it daily. When I say stop, obey instantly, and watch as my favor surrounds you, as my angels protect you, as my spirit guides you into something greater than you ever imagined. I am your Father, and I say this because I love you more than you will ever understand. So when I say stop, please stop.